Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sai. Today we'll discuss what happened today market and we'll discuss tomorrow's market. Okay. In today's market, Nifty Bank. We'll discuss about Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank we already created some range here. Yesterday itself we created some range. Market is still in that range. No any 15 minutes candle means this is the 15 minutes candle, right? No candle has given closing below this support line, so that we are not going for sell entry until unless market is giving below this closing for 15 minutes candle. Okay, again we thought like market is range mark, so market is in range market. This is the range we selected, right? Market is in range market. Today market has gap down and slowly again it came up. If the range came back, this is the range we are taking down. This is the range we are taking. Okay, so market has came up. Tomorrow what will be the like market? So this is the again some for resistance. This is one resistance. Okay, market has taken some support here, so we'll see tomorrow if gap up opens, market might be in range, this range again, or else if market is like gap down, so we can expect a touching like this, and again it might reflect, or else it might give closing below. We can go for selling for tomorrow also. Tomorrow itself the market might be in the range again, not will be closing above this 15 minutes candle or below this 15-minute candle. Okay, and we'll go for Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is also at the range itself is there. We can see we taken this as support line. Below this, if the 15 minutes candle closing is happened, we will be going for selling. But the market has went down in 15 minutes itself. The market came again inside the range, and the market is again in the range market only. See, this is a market uptrend, but we are using this is the long range, right? So we can say it is in the range. And also today market has came up not that much, it like came up around 250 points. It came up. Okay, so we'll see some stocks, we'll discuss some stocks, and after that I will be telling you what are the RSI and everything. I will show you. We'll come to HDFC. In HDFC we already given this as triggered price, target price. Till now it is not given, and also we also know that 200 EMA is the perfect EMA in 1 day time frame, so it has also touched this EMA and taken some back. Tomorrow when it giving closing above this, okay, tomorrow when it giving closing above this, we will be going for, I will draw a line. Okay, tomorrow closing above this, we will be taking buy one, and this is good trade for swing trade. Okay, this is a good trade for swing trading. You can expect it uptrend up to here itself. To show you, and we can go up to here. So market is like taken some rest at 200 EMA line. So market slowly it will come back and it will give closing above this line 1 day time frame. After that you can go for long in upside direction. Okay, and we'll see for Kotak. Here itself we can see market has taken some support line here. You see, this is a long support line. Market has came today and again it came upside. Okay, it touched this line and again came up. You see, market is taking some pattern which we call this as head and shoulder pattern. You see, this is the shoulder and taken some head and again taking shoulder, and again when it is coming below this one, we will be going for selling. And also you can see RSI itself shows it is trying to give selling one. Okay, RSI itself it is showing if it is coming below 40, you can go for selling. Okay, in Jindal Steel we'll go for Jindal Steel. Yeah, it is also Yesterday itself it is giving below, right? Now today it came back, so we can expect this is also a swing trade. And also you see here itself the market is coming up. Until unless the market in this range, we cannot go for this one, we cannot trade this one. But it is taken as 200 EMA line support, so we can expect that market, if it is the range, right, this is the range. If you can see any 1 day time frame candle above this one closing, like, you can go for buy. Until unless it might be here only range, after that only it will be coming and giving some closing above here only. Okay. And Ashok Leyland is also near to 200 ml, we can see. And also here you can see a selling pressure is also there. You can see here itself the bodies are like huge bodies, around 5 rupees, around 6 rupees and 5 rupees. Nearly this is like 100 rupees stocks and 200 rupees stocks, right? So the 5 rupees also is minimum to minimum. So you can go, the market is coming down, the selling price is there. We can expect this is the target we will be getting for tomorrow. Still we will be getting this one for tomorrow. Okay. And Tata Motors is the range, this is the range. This is a strong support line. Until unless in Tata Motors you can see any candle below this one, you can come up to here 200 ml, you can come up to here. Better you have to see a powerful candle. Powerful candle in the sense, this is a powerful candle. See, you have to see in the red color one. Okay, you have to see in the red color. So market has to be closing here. So after that you can come up to here. 200 ml is your target. When the market is giving below the support line, the closing has to happen. Okay. And IT1 Wipro itself shows the market is in the range, itself shows the market is the support line. Here you can see the support line happened. It touches the support line and taken back. Okay. Until unless the market is giving a closing above this line, around 662, above this one closing has to happen. So you can go for buying. I am thinking market is trying to come down and touch this 200 EMA line. Okay, this is a 200 EMA line we will be seeing. You see here itself the candle has opened, and with power candle it's open and taken some pullback, and again slowly it came back. Okay, clearly it came up and slowly it is there. So we can expect this is the one we will be looking for target. Okay, when you can see any closing below this one. Okay, and I will show you what happens in Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank in 1 day time frame will go with RSI. You see the market is trying to come upside. Okay, until unless the market is showing a bullish sign here, and also this one will be automatically, if the bullish sign happens, the RSI also will come up. Okay, the market is coming upside. So at that time you can say market is trying to pick up the pace to upside. Until unless you can see another movement, this is the range we will be taking, right? Yesterday we took, this is the range, and this is also range. Now today also we can expect this is a full range. Okay, full range it is happened now. So until unless if the market in this range, we cannot go for buying or selling. It has to be in the upside only. This is the range we are taking resistance line. We have to see 15 minutes candle above this line. Okay, market might come down tomorrow. If the market opens gap up, it might be taking some price action only. After price action only you have to trade for buying. If market opens in the downside direction or gap down, you have to see whether it is touching the support line, or else it taking some price action only, you have to go for buying or selling. Okay, same in Nifty 50, you have to see the price action when it is, whether it is a gap up, whether it is a gap down, you have to see the price action. After that you can go for buying or selling. Okay, if you like this video, like and subscribe my video, and share the video if anyone that needs the market analysis. Okay, thank you.